Hey everyone, welcome to ITeePK. Most people think you always need a USB, DVD, or CD drive to install Windows on your PC. But that's not true. In this video, I will show you the simple method to install Windows directly on your PC without USB, CD, or DVD drive. Before proceeding, please make sure you have liked and subscribed ITeePK and let's get started. The first step is go ahead on your start menu and right click here. We want to go to disk management. You could also go ahead and type in your start menu disk management. This will also take you directly to the disk management. In your disk management, please go ahead and click on action and here we want to create VHD. Now go ahead and click on browse and select the location for your virtual HD. I want to make it in C drive and here I want to make a new folder and name it VHD. Let's open this folder and here I want to name it virtual USB. Let's click on save. The next step is here how much storage you want to assign to your this virtual USB. Let's say I want to assign it 13 gigs of storage. After some time, you will see that you have unallocated space here. Now here, please go ahead and click on unknown disk 1 that is unallocated space and click initialize disk. Click OK. Now this has initialized my disk and now I want to go to unallocated space and I want to create a new simple volume. Let's click next. Confirm the storage you have assigned. Again, click next. The letter I want to assign to my virtual USB. That is fine. Let's click next again. Volume label. Let's go ahead and again type it virtual USB and that is fine. Perform a quick format. Let's click next again and then finish. And here you go. I got my virtual USB here. Okay, now our virtual USB is ready. In the next step, we want to go to Microsoft official Windows download website and we want to download the ISO file for Windows 11. Let's go ahead and select Windows 11 Multi-Edition. Click Confirm. Now here, please go ahead and choose your required language and then again confirm. Now we are ready to download the latest Windows 11 64-bit ISO file. Click on download and select your location and save it. Okay, so here I got the Windows 11 64-bit English version download file. Now in the next step, we will make our USB bootable with this ISO file. For that, we have to download Rufus software. Please go ahead and open it in your browser. Let's go ahead and download the standard or portable one and download it in the download folder. Let's quickly download it a little file. Let's go ahead and install it. Okay, fine. Now here, I got my virtual USB at the top. In the second option, I have to choose the disk or ISO image. Now here, please go ahead and click on select because we have already downloaded the Windows 11 latest official ISO file that is 64-bit and it's here. Now here at the top, we got our virtual USB, we got the latest ISO file for our Windows 11. And also, if you want, you could go ahead and change these options. I'm not going to explain these. We have the volume label that will be assigned, file system NTFS, and the cluster size is 4 gigs. See the advanced option. It's better to check device for bad logs as well. And now we are ready and we could start making our USB drive bootable by selecting all of these options. Here is a warning. All the data on the device virtual USB will be destroyed. To continue this operation, click OK. That is fine. It's empty already. Now this will delete and format the USB. This will remove the bad log, check for all the required options that we have selected and will make our virtual USB a bootable USB with Windows 11 ISO file. Okay, now let's go ahead and close this reference tool. We want to go to this PC and here we could see we got our Windows 11 that got bootable in our virtual USB and we could go ahead and proceed with the setup. For verification, let's see if setup will work here. So here it is. The latest Windows 11 installation without the USB, CD or a DVD drive. I'm not going to show you the complete Windows installation setup here because the rest is just basic steps like selecting region, account, privacy option or your drives. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips and tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments, I will be happy to help. Thanks for watching ITPK. See you in the next one.